Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today I'm unboxing a Smart Touch electric water dispenser from Zone Industry Corp. The reason why I purchased this is because I wanted to update the one I currently use, which I love, because it's functional. It's small, it's easy to just put on top of your little water jug, and it dispenses water. So this is the previous one I have. It works well. I do notice that this one is a little bit louder than what I would like. And from what I've read, this one is a lot quieter when you use it. So it has a rechargeable battery, 1200 milliamps. As you can see, it comes with easy instructions. You just assemble the hose, stick it inside the water jug, and make sure you leave the blue cap there. And just push the button. And just make sure you charge it for 3 hours before use with a micro USB. This product is strictly prohibited from dry pumping. It's of course made out of ABS plastic, stainless steel pipe, and food grade silicone hose. All right, so let's open this up real quick. Get it? There we go. All right, look at that. That's nice looking. Okay, so you get the unit itself. You get the little silicone grade, food grade, and a charging cable. And a simple instruction. And of course, you get the little proof of inspection, quality control pass. All right, so overall, you just plug it in, charge it before you use it. There's not much else to it. You can pause it if you need to read the instructions. Okay, so here's the unit itself. Look at that design. That's nice. So nice part is this is in pretty much in English versus my previous one, which is in Chinese. Not that it's in Chinese, but you could tell just by the way they use the logos. You know, here in the US, we wouldn't really use logos like that. Here it is side by side. You can tell this looks very contemporary, very new. And it's just a nicer looking design versus the typical one that you see on Amazon. Okay. So here it is, how loud it is. Okay, and let's see how loud this one is. So maybe this one will not run unless it feels water going through it. I'm thinking that's the case. So I won't be able to test how the sound is. Maybe I push it. So this one's a little lower pitched. It's not as loud, but as you can tell, you can still hear it. And here's the nozzle. It's very nice versus this one here. Overall, the plastic is very premium feeling, and this kind of a, I don't know, I guess would say like a very electronic pinkish purple color. It's very nice. Just a little smudge here. But overall, I would say the quality is very, very nice. I don't think you can open this up to clean it. But other than that, this is the Smart Touch electronic water dispenser from Zone Industry Corp. All right. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. And I'll see you on the next one.